Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials. Make sure your iPhone is on a stable network and you know the DNS address you'll use. Open Settings, tap Wi-Fi, then the Active Networks Info button. You'll see Configure DNS, choose Manual. This first action switches control from automatic to manual so you can input a private DNS. Once done, you're ready to remove current entries and add the new DNS IPs. This is the critical handoff from setup to configuration. Now you enter the how, tap Add Server and type the private DNS IP or hostname exactly as provided. You can remove undesired servers by tapping the minus icon and deleting them. Make sure you leave at least one valid entry. Once entries are correct, tap Save to apply. This step changes where your iPhone resolves domain names, which affects speed and filtering. Make sure primary DNS is topmost so queries use your private resolver first. Order matters for effective results. Finish by verifying that the new DNS is working. Load several websites or use a network diagnostic app to confirm resolution. If pages fail to load, turn Wi-Fi off and on or reboot the iPhone. This clears cached DNS settings. If issues persist, check the DNS address for typos and switch Configure DNS back to automatic to restore connectivity. Remember, reverting helps isolate whether the private DNS caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.